Next, take the powder bar, which is the bar with the two metal discs on either side, and load this into the shaker powder area. We want this to rest on the film with a smaller disc inside the film diameter and the outer disc on the outside. This should rest on top of the film securely. We now load powder into the shaker oven. We recommend using a sieve to make sure that the powder doesn't clump at all. And we load some into this section here, and the rest we can load into the powder hopper. With the powder hopper on top, there's no need to overfill, just put a small amount of powder in, and this will ensure that the powder on the film is a gradual release. We recommend using the metal roller bar inside the powder shaker oven as it keeps the powder on the film. This prevents you having to top the powder up frequently, giving you more time to do different things. We can now put the perspex lids back over the powder areas.